little buddies, welcome to Storytime with Frozendoll. Today I'm reading another interesting book, a book about monsters. I know, monsters are scary and tough and envious, and they literally do a lot of bad things. They are so loud and noisy. But in today's book, we are going to meet a very sweet little monster. So this is the book I'm reading today. The Monster Who Lost His Mane. This is written by Tiffany Sterlitz-Haber and illustrated by Christy Edmonds. So let's read together and find out more about our little monster friend. Monsters are a spooky bunch, a scary, hairy group. They run in packs, leave giant tracks, and dine on eyeball soup. Mean, observant, noisy, super strong, and tough to please, envious, remarkable. A monster is all of these. One day, a monster's M went missing, gone without a trace. And every M is custom made, the kind you can't replace. So now he is just the monster. And the teasing never ends. Not only has he lost his mane, he has lost his monster friends. Boom, boom, crunch, crunch. The monster sits alone for lunch. Boo-hoo! Sigh, sigh. The monster's sad and starts to cry. I am nothing since I lost my mane. He sobs into his stew. I have got to find that M, or else it's bye-bye, monster crew. The monster tears through all his sheets and peeks beneath his bed, explores around the playground, and picks apart his shed. He empties every garbage can in all of Monsterwood. He even checks the engine under every monster's hood. Nothing, nada, not a trace. He hangs his hairy head. Without my M, I am not myself. I am someone else instead. He can't be mean to human kids, So why not help with chores? Sweeping, heaping, light housekeeping, organizing drawers. He joins in all their soccer games and rules at basketball. He doesn't seem to miss that missing M so much at all. I am having tons of fun, he laughs, returning from a swim. But then he hears some other monsters making fun of him. The monster feels embarrassed to see their point of view. I really need to stop this stuff and do what monsters do. Maybe I will pretend I am mean. I bet it's not that hard. Perhaps I will pull the flowers out of Mrs. Power's yard. He stares at all the roses in their stunning shade of red, but just can't bear to harm them. So he waters them instead. The monster thinks, I will throw some eggs at Mr. Lander's van, but winds up cooking brunch for the entire Lander clan. I am way too nice without my M. My monster days are through. I just don't fit in monsterhood. I am not sure what to do. He sadly heads on home again with teardrops in his eyes. He swings his front door open and is greeted with surprise! A party in his honor. The monster's eyes grow wide. His name and picture cover every empty space inside. You are the coolest monster in all the world. I am not a monster after all, the monster comprehends. I may have lost my M, but then I found amazing friends. Boom, boom, paw, paw. The monster waves and takes a bow. Let's have 3 cheers. Hip, hip, hooray! He is happier in every way. That was a beautiful story of the monster who lost his M to become a very kind and friendly monster. That was me, Frozendoll, reading The Monster Who Lost His Me. Hope you all like the story. See you soon again.
Please subscribe to my channel Storytime with Frozendoll. Please watch this video, press the like button and share your valuable comments.